Assalamu alaikum students, and welcome back to another video, and this is going to be the last video of the topic that we have studied, goods and services. So now we are going to discuss about the types of goods. So there are two types of goods, tangible goods and intangible goods. Now let's look at what are tangible and intangible goods. Now let's look at what are tangible goods. Tangible goods are merchandise that you can put your hands on, things that you can touch, which includes jewelry, computer, clothes, or even CDs, are tangible goods because you can touch them. You can touch all of these things. So anything that you can touch is called tangible. A tangible good is something that you can touch. Whereas if we look at intangible goods, what are intangible goods? An intangible good is a good that does not have physical nature as opposed to physical good. तो इसकी physical nature नहीं होती, ये exist नहीं करता, and you cannot touch this type of good. Digital goods such as music that we download, mobile applications, hospitality of the doctors, nurses to the patient, all of these things are intangible goods. What it means is, intangible goods, we cannot touch these type of goods. और कौन से goods ऐसे होते हैं जिनको हम touch नहीं कर सकते? And they have given you that example as well. For example, if you download an app in your mobile phone, so it is a good itself, but you cannot touch it. If you download any song from a website or any app, you have taken that good from, like music is a good. It's a digital good, but you cannot touch it. And if you go to the hospital and your doctor checks you, or the nurse puts injection or any sort of service that he or she provides you, is also a good, but it's intangible good because you cannot touch it. So here we have given you the list of tangible and intangible goods. Tangible goods are those goods that can be touched. तो कैश को हम टच कर सकते हैं, फर्नीचर को टच कर सकते हैं, इक्विपमेंट्स को टच कर सकते हैं, लैंड को भी आप टच कर सकते हैं, and all of these things are touchable and seenable. Whereas intangible goods, for example copyrights किसी को देते हैं हम, वो हम टच नहीं कर सकते. इट्स अ गुड बट वी कैन नॉट टच इट. अब जो है एम्प्लॉयमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है. इफ़ यू गो टू अ प्लेस टू वर्क, तो वो जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एन एम्प्लॉयमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, एंड यू कैन नॉट टच इट बिकॉज इट्स नॉट टचेबल. उसके अलावा यू डाउनलोड थिंग्स फ्रॉम इंटरनेट दैट आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अबाउट, तो वो चीज़ों को भी आप टच नहीं कर सकते हैं. इट्स अनटचेबल. गुडविल, अगर मुझे कोई इस क्लास में स्टूडेंट पसंद है, सही है, बिकॉज द रीज़न वाई आई लाइक him or her is because he had been very active in the class and has been listening to the lectures and very carefully and have been answering. So in the future, if he does any mistake, so I might just let it go, or I'll ask him what the problem was and I'll help him out, or either I just let it go. While on the other hand, so that student will have my goodwill, क्योंकि वो हमेशा से अच्छा था, तो I will have it in my mind कि ये बच्चा अच्छा है, तो I should not punish him. उससे गलती भी हो सकती है. So that student has my goodwill. Whereas if the same mistake is done by a student that is very careless and has been not participating in the class or not doing the homework, so agar if he does the same mistake, I might not consider it, and I'll be like, ye to you will be punished for this because you have done this in the past. And the reason why is because he does not have my goodwill. So I hope you understood the concept of goodwill. And all of these things that are listed over here are not touchable. They are untouchable. सो गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? गुड्स, they can be seen and touched, whereas services, they cannot be seen and touched, but they can be felt. Whereas goods, they can be stored, हम उन्हें जमा करके रख सकते हैं, but services, they cannot be stored. There is a time gap between the production and consumption of good. तो जब कोई गुड बन रहा होता है, कोई चीज़ बन रही होती है, तो उसमें टाइम लगता है, फिर उसके बाद हम उसे कंज्यूम करते हैं, हम उसे खाते हैं या हम उसके इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो उसमें भी टाइम लगता है. तो इट हैज़ अ टाइम गैप बिटवीन इट्स मेकिंग एंड इट्स कंजम्पशन, इट्स यूजेज. Whereas in services there is no time gap between the production and consumption of services. मतलब आपको कुछ बनाना नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स अ सर्विस. कुछ जो है ना प्रोड्यूस नहीं करना है. ठीक है, आप फ़ौरन से जाते हो डॉक्टर के पास, डॉक्टर फ़ौरन से आपको जो है ना दवाई लिख के दे देगा या आपको चेकअप कर देगा. तो देयर इज़ नो टाइम गैप, और आप उसकी सर्विस फ़ौरन से कंज्यूम कर लोगे, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो टाइम गैप. So the example for goods is pen, pencil, notebook, or anything that you can touch. Whereas services में क्या एग्जाम्पल आ सकती है? टीचिंग आ सकती है, मेडिकल केयर मतलब डॉक्टर नर्सेज जो आपको मेडिकल केयर देते हैं, ये आ सकती है, प्लम्बरिंग, और all of these professions that provide you services comes into this column. So up till now you must have a clear understanding of the difference between tangible and intangible goods. What are goods? Tangible intangible में क्या फ़र्क होता है? Tangible को हम touch कर सकते हैं, intangible को हम touch नहीं कर सकते. Then there are what are goods and what are services. I hope you guys have understood it, because we have discussed it many times, and the difference between goods and services. So these are the 3 points that we have discussed, and these are the 3 important points that you must know in completing this lesson.